So today I'm going to be talking about 5 free courses which you can learn to make yourself an expert into the financial modeling space. The first one, CFI Institute's course. They have made an online course that can let you learn the entire financial modeling the way you want. You can learn things like making prediction about the company's future finance, how they are going to manage merger, how the different models they are going to create, and how different industry and sector it is going to apply to. The second course, Coursera's Business and Financial Modeling Specialization course. Now this course is over a month-long course and you will have to spend at least 10 hours per week to learn it. And over here you will understand what the model talks about in terms of spreadsheet, what numbers goes, how they are going to make smart decisions with respect to the business. The third one, Udemy's Introduction to Financial Modeling course. This can help you to understand how the financial documents are important and how we can create simple models to predict the future of the company. The next course, which is also very interesting one, which is Piyush Arora's Financial Modeling Basics on Udemy. Now, this course needs you to have some bit understanding about Excel, but it's a very good starting step for you to understand different financial models and how they are used and created. The next and the final course is the Skillshare's Financial Modeling course, in which you can learn the Excel and the financial modeling part in detail, doing analysis of different industry, different sectors related to the actual quantitative analysis of the company. All of these courses we have tried to find in such a way that can help you to understand the financial modeling aspect from basics to the advanced level. Each course is different. So as a student or as a candidate, you should be able to understand and pick up those courses that suits your need.